Hi, I am Bas. In this video I'm going to show you how you can find easily a CSS class or idea on a WordPress website. You can find it also on a normal website. It doesn't have to be a WordPress website. For this video I'm going to use the Google Chrome browser. As you see, we are in the browser already. And I found a WordPress website, for example, and that is this one, iheartcats.com. We are now on a webpage. In that website, this webpage, 5 best cat color cameras. And when you want to find a CSS class or idea, you can do it like this. Right click on your mouse. Then you click here on inspect. And here you see the HTML elements of the webpage. Then you can click here on this button. This one. And then you can click on an HTML element on the web page. Let's say we want to click on this H1 header. Here you see the H1 header and the class is entry-title. So on that way you can find a class or idea on a WordPress website. You can also change the style if you want in the browser. Then we go here to styles. Here you see the CSS. You can click here on .cls. And here you see the class of the H1 header we selected. The font size is now 40 pixels. Let's say we want to make it 80. Okay. And the color is now white. Let's say we want to change it to blue. Okay, let's see how it looks like then. And you see here we changed the styling. So in the browser you can test also with CSS if you want and change it later on the website. Let's check another example. Let's see. Let's say we want to know the CSS class or idea of this button. And first we need to click here. And then select the HTML element. And here you see the class of the HTML element we selected, the button. This one .cls is still selected. So we can change some things for the button. For example, like, let's see. Let's say we want to change the background color to another color, this one. Okay. And then when we go back, you see here the button is blue now. So that was another example. You know now how you can find easily a CSS class or idea on a WordPress website, and even how you can test with some styling with CSS in the browser, Google Chrome. Was this video helpful for you? Click on the like button. Do you want to see more videos about WordPress, SEO and affiliate marketing? Click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.